Hi guys, welcome to another new episode of our channel, and today I'm going to show you my very simple makeup routine. So firstly, I'm going to use my sunscreen, which is for sensitive skin, and it's SPF 50 plus. My face is clean, my hands are clean, so let's begin. So I'm going to take that much of my sunscreen. I apply it all over, even on my upper eyelids and lower ones. You can take a little product and you can apply. You have to apply on your neck area as well, but since my top has so much of neck, I'm not gonna apply deep in. So that's done. I actually use 2 sets of eyeshadows. It depends upon my mood, so and my dress color. So yeah, these are the colors I have in here, and it comes from Pupa. Let me show you the inside of it. So these are the colors I have. All right, I normally use the brown shade, but for now I will be using my blush. Actually, this is my blush, but I use it for my eyeshadow as well. I prefer this shade. I'm going to check if it's even, and if it is, then I'm happy to go to the next step, and that is my eye pencil. So for the line of my lower eyelid, I'm going to use Eyepencil, which comes from Clarins. Upper eyelids, I'm going to use eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, which comes from Lakme. So let's begin. I need to sharpen my pencil. There I am with my sharpened eye pencil. So as you can see, I've done my lower eyelids, and next I'm going to use my Lakme. I'm going to put a small tail towards the end. So next, what I'm going to use is my Clinique product, and it's a compact. I'm not a person who takes a lot of time for makeup, but yeah, when I do it properly. So but I don't this is my order of makeup, but you can definitely apply, you know, compact or foundation on the eyeshadow area as well, and then you can apply your eyeshadow. It depends upon how you do your makeup. So next I move on to is my favorite area, the lip. Okay, so first I go for normal lip balm, which I have now is Nivea strawberry flavor. It says strawberry shine, so that's what I use, and it's like, it doesn't have much of a color, but it provides that moisturizing effect. Next I'm going to apply the lipstick, which is a pink shade from D&G. I'm going to blend it in using my ring finger. And trust me guys, it stays for a long time. So sometimes I go out like this with just the moisturizer and the lipstick. Sometimes I use my lip gloss, and I just love this lip gloss. So once you open it, there's light inside, and I have the shade mirror in the car, so I can just use that and I can easily see what I am applying, where I'm applying and all that. So yeah, so that's how it is. You can see the light on my face, right? Okay, color it is. So that's the color. So I left the color as well. It's a different shade. You can see it's not the exact shade as a lipstick, but just to show you guys, I'm going to just apply it on top of the lipstick. So guys, this is the shade of my lip gloss. But you might be thinking that I put it on top of the pink lipstick, so the color exactly might change. But this is the exact color of the lip gloss. And as I showed you before, it's like a peach color. It goes with any dress color that you wear. So I personally like it. So there you go, that's my final look of my hair done, and yeah, that's how I'm gonna leave it. I like to keep it simple. I mean, like I would take so much of time for cooking and things like that, but for makeup I don't prefer taking so much of time, so I want to keep it simple and do it fast. That's my way of makeup. So yeah, like for parties and functions I might use foundation and concealers as well. But otherwise, there's nothing more that I add to my makeup routine. So that's it for today, guys. And I'm really happy to share with you my simple makeup routine. And it is really simple. Please forgive me for my mistakes. I am quite comfortable with my makeup routine. Like I've been following it for 4-5 years now, and I'm happy with it. So I guess that's what matters in the end. Yeah. So let's move on to the picture gallery.